Welcome to the video installation guide for the TELUS Wireless Home Internet device. We'll show you how to easily install your outdoor unit and set up your Wi-Fi hub to get the best connection.
Before getting started, make sure to install the SmartHome Plus app.
Now, let's get ready to assemble your unit. Inside your wireless home internet box, you'll find the wireless home internet device, cover plate, Ethernet cable, power supply, anti-theft wrench, hex wrench, one of the connection kits, mounting bracket, backplate holder, M5 assembly screws, M6 assembly screws, wall anchors, and wall screws. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver. Don't worry about anything else you see in the box right now. Next, get an activated TELUS Nano SIM card and your smartphone or tablet. Your kit includes a sticker showing the wireless home internet device admin password. This password isn't your Wi-Fi password, but you'll need it to access the device's admin page. Stick it onto the power adapter for safekeeping and easy access. To get started, insert the SIM card into the bottom of the outdoor unit. Make sure the chip is facing up and that the notch is on the right. Next, find and disassemble the connection kit. The connection kit has 4 parts. First, unscrew the nut from the bolt and lift to reveal the rubber seal. Take out the rubber seal and separate it from the sealing clamp. Thread the end of the Ethernet cable through the connection kit and the cover panel by first putting it through the nut, the sealing clamp, the shell, and finally, the cover plate. Insert the Ethernet cable with the Ethernet clip facing down into the bottom of the unit. Secure the cover plate, making sure the vent is on the left side using the anti-theft wrench. Push up the shell and hand tighten it only to the cover plate. Next, add the rubber seal. Make sure to first remove the plug from the rubber seal, which you can throw out. Now, pry open the rubber seal and fit it over the Ethernet cable between the sealing clamp and shell. Combine the sealing clamp and the rubber seal, then push the 2 components into the shell. Finally, slide the nut up and secure it by tightening in a clockwise direction. Next, attach the backplate to the unit. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, the backplate, and your M5 assembly screws. Attach the backplate to the back of the unit using the 4 assembly screws and tighten clockwise. Next, attach the backplate holder. Squeeze the 2 sides so that both ends are inside of the backplate. Note that the head of the M6 screws should match the hex wrench. Align the holes in the backplate with the holes in the backplate holder and secure it with the screws. Lightly tighten the screws for now in case you need to adjust them later. Now let's head outside. Using the compass feature in the SmartHome Plus app, find the nearest cell tower by walking around the full perimeter of your home. You'll want to do this to determine the best mounting direction so you get the best service. Using a ladder, select a spot 2.5 to 4.5 meters from the ground where the unit can face the cell tower. Try to keep the unit free from obstructions, like trees, and avoid mounting at the highest point to avoid lightning strikes. Now that you've selected your location, plan a route for the Ethernet cable into the house, where it can reach a power outlet. You can thread the cable through existing openings, or if you need to drill a hole in the wall for it to pass through, use a 19mm drill bit. Once the Ethernet cable is routed, insert the end into the power adapter and plug it in. Make sure it's plugged into the port labeled LAN out. Next, connect the power adapter to a power outlet. As the unit boots up, the indicator LED lights will turn on. If the signal LED lights begin flashing, do not unplug the unit. Your device is performing a software update, which might take up to 12 minutes. Once the power and signal lights become steady, the update is finished and you can continue. Confirm that your power, network, and signal LEDs are on. Keep in mind, the LEDs on the wireless home internet device only illuminate for up to 15 minutes after boot up before automatically turning off. To install the wall mount, you'll need the screws and maybe the wall anchors from the accessories kit, and a few of your own tools. Begin by marking the screw holes where you've chosen to mount the device, making sure that they're level. If mounting on brick, stone, or certain stucco exterior walls, you'll first need to drill 4 holes with an 8mm drill bit and then gently hammer in the wall anchors. Otherwise, wall anchors are not needed. Attach the wall mount to the wall using the provided wall screws. Once the mount is secured, attach the device onto the wall mount by aligning the hole on the backplate holder onto the stud of the wall mount. Use the hex wrench to lightly tighten the M6 screws for now. Fine-tune the position of your device by rotating it up, down, or left and right. Make sure your device is facing the direction of the cell tower and fully tighten all the M6 screws. Now, you're ready to set up your TELUS Wi-Fi hub. You'll need the hub, power supply, and Ethernet cable. Place the hub in a clear, open space off of the floor, away from heavy objects or thick walls. Put it near a power outlet and make sure it's in reach of the power adapter that's connected to the wireless home internet device. Give it at least 2 inches of space to avoid overheating. Next, plug your Wi-Fi hub into a power outlet. It will automatically turn on. Connect the end of the Ethernet cable labeled LAN in port to the wireless home internet power supply. Then connect the other end to the back of your Wi-Fi hub by plugging it into the port labeled LAN/WAN4. Wait for the internet light on the front to turn green, and for the Wi-Fi light under the lid to turn blue. This can take up to 5 minutes. Now it's time to connect to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on, then scan the QR code under the lid of the Wi-Fi hub. Or you can manually enter the name and password listed inside the lid. Return to the SmartHome Plus app and press Next. Enter the Wi-Fi admin password located under the lid of the Wi-Fi hub. Note that this Wi-Fi gateway admin password is not the same as the wireless home internet device, which we set up earlier. And that's it! Your internet connection is ready to go. Run the speed test on the network page of the SmartHome Plus app to ensure that you're getting adequate speed. Once completed, you can use the SmartHome Plus app to rename your Wi-Fi network and set a new password. Don't forget to connect all your devices to your new Wi-Fi network and start enjoying your new high-speed 5G internet connection. Need some extra information or help? Visit our support page at telus.com/wireless home setup.